This is Biotronics Class 3 Physiotherapy laser device. These are the handy model, pocket model you can see. This is the quality of the bag. You can see this is the quality of the bag, and this is the protection goggle. This is the operating manual. You can see, and this is how the device look like that. You can see the quality. This is the lens attachment. I'll just take it out. It's a magnetic one. You can see the diodes over here. Quality of the product. And now, before giving the demo of the device and all, first I want to clarify about the specification and technical detail of the system. Why technical details clarification is necessary? Because in the market there are models which are in the even in the lesser price, but what you are getting in that price, you are saying that you are getting laser device, but the power of that device and this device is totally different. Now I will explain how. And then after comparing the power and the specification of the device, you can decide whether you want to go for the low power devices or you want to go for the advanced one, because everyone wants to go for the advanced one, because the result it will give in one sitting, that device will give in the 3 or 4 or even 7 sittings. So now I will explain. So you can see over here, this is 808 nanometer and 650 nanometer. So there are two types of diode in the same, one with the wavelength 650 nanometer and one with the wavelength 808 nanometer. 808 nanometer diode is like these are the diodes, and 808 nanometer diodes it's not visible to human eye, and 650 is visible to human eye. And you can see this is the 808 nanometer diode, and there are 5 pieces of 808 nanometer diode in the same. You can see these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 808 nanometer diodes, and the power of 808 nanometer diode is 250 milliwatt. So 250 milliwatt is the power of 808 nanometer per diode, and there are 5 diodes in the same. So as a cluster power of 5 diodes of 808 nanometer, 250 into 5, 1250, 1250. Now there are 650 nanometer diodes, 10 diodes are there, and 650 nanometer diode power is 5 milliwatt. So you can see 5 into 10. So total will be 50. So 50 milliwatt you are getting from the 650 nanometer, and 1250 you are getting from the 808 nanometer. So as a total cluster power of this device will be 1250 plus 50. The total cluster power of the device will be total output power 1300 milliwatt. 1300 milliwatt is the power of this device, while the other available in the market is 350, 370, 450, maximum is like this. But we are importing 670 milliwatt, 1300 milliwatt, even we are importing 2080 milliwatt also. You can see the other products in the other video. So now this is 1300 milliwatt, which is 4 to 5 times in power with the one available in the market. So if there is a difference between some 1000 rupees in the price, but the specification wise you are getting the device which is lesser in price, but the quality and the specification is just the downgraded one, 350, 450. This is 1300 milliwatt. So that was my purpose for explaining in the video. Before buying the handy laser devices, first compare the specification. Because if you ask the seller to send the specification and say that we are getting the device in the higher milliwatt power, what is your the seller can give you the written specification like we have the power of this, but don't believe in the same. Ask that seller to open the product and send the image of that page. This is the specification. This is the company specification. It can't be wrong, but seller can type anything. So this is the company specification, and then you can calculate the total power as I have already told you, and then you can decide whether you want to go for the advanced model, latest product which is result oriented, or you want to go for the like the cheaper one which is useless and of no use. but still they named as laser therapy. So that's your choice. So, but I would suggest to go before do these things before choosing that model. Now I will show you the demo of the device. You can see this is how the device looks like that. I just switch it on. So already charged. This is a charging cable and charger. Already it is full charge, and you can see the display over here. It's the timer section. So in the timer section, this is the timer selection button. You can increase from 10 to 60 minutes in the multiple of 10. Like, sorry, like 10, like 6, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is the timer section. Now this is the power section. You can increase the power to high, medium, low. So currently I am selecting the low power. I have already wear the glasses. This is the glass protection glass you will get with the same. You can see the protection glass, and I have already wear the demo glasses. Now I will show you the demo of the device. So I need to press the same. You can see the laser light cluster laser coming. You can see the same in the video itself, and you can see 651 is the red visible one, and 808 nanometer is the not visible. Not visible. This is coming, but they are not visible to human eye. So now the power is low here. You can see this is the low one. Now I am increasing the power, medium, and high. So you can see the laser light coming. Within the few seconds, I will feel the heat, prickle heat on my hand, because the laser intensity, laser power is 1300 milliwatt. So you can see this is the device, and you can operate the same in both continuous and pulse mode. This is the continuous mode. For pulse mode, you have to switch the same. This is PM. So you can see this is the PM. This is the pulse mode. You can see the pulsating frequency coming over there, and you can see the same on my hand also. So this is the device, and this is the complete demo of the device, and this is the attachment. This is without attachment, no lens and anything. But if you want to use that lens attachment, this is the magnetic lens attachment. You just press the same, and it will get stick to it. You can see. You can see. So this is how effective and result oriented that device is, and I have already explained how to calculate the power of the device. The more the power, the more effective the device, the more result oriented that device is. So the device, the result you will get in one sitting from that device. The other devices may take around 4, 5, 6 sittings, or even 7 or 8 sittings. So nobody can wait for that period, because you have to get the physiotherapy of 15 days, 20 days, 30 days. So obviously that devices are just useless. Just they put the name as laser therapy, but the power is very low. So be conscious while purchasing this. Biotronics Care International, we are importing the physiotherapy device, which is 670 milliwatt, 1300 milliwatt, and 2080 milliwatt. So this is 1300 milliwatt device, and quality and everything you have seen in the video. Thanks for watching the same. Please do like and share and subscribe our channel for the other information video, because we are importing all latest advanced technology in the field of physiotherapy and rehabilitation. And you can contact us, you can drop your comments, you can drop your mobile number or WhatsApp number. Our sales team will contact you. You can purchase the product from our website also, or you can reach on our customer care number in the description given. Thank you for watching.